Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into MetaBank account online using your desktop. If you'd like to get access to your bank account online, view your transactions, check your balance, send and receive payments, and much more, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the address bar at the top and type in www.metabank.com and press enter. You'll be taken to the official website of MetaBank. Click on Login to Online Banking button at the top left, and this will bring up an expanded menu. Choose your account type. If you have a personal account for MetaBank, then go to the personal option. If you have business account, then go to the business online section. Since I have a personal account, let me go ahead and type in my username into the text box under personal, enter the password after you're done. To double check your password, click on the eye icon before moving on, this little one right here. This will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on forgot password link right beneath and follow the instructions in order to reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, click on ready to register your account right here and follow the instructions. After typing in everything, click on go in order to log into your MetaBank account in no time. That is how you'll be able to log into your MetaBank online account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.